Well, hello everybody. It's so nice to see you all. It's such a special day. I'm just overwhelmed by seeing everybody here today. So welcome to our Leaving Year 11 Assembly. And I'm going to hand you over to the presentation that's ready. So we're going to go do that first of all, and then we'll come back to me. William Henry Smith School at the age of 9 years old, and what a time you've actually had over the last 7 years. You've been a keen hiker, taking part in triathlons, you've climbed Ben Nevis and joined the Sea Cadets, and you've been part of the FAST team, raising money for charity by attempting the Yorkshire Three Peaks. You've taken part in the Duke of Edinburgh Award and completed a first aid skills course, so well done. You love a challenge and you now take pride in celebrating your achievements. You've developed a love of reading, which I know you're really proud of. You've developed a great sense of humour. You're very perceptive and a caring young man, and you've participated in so many school sporting events. You're a great ambassador to school. You've made excellent progress also in your therapy. We want to wish you the very best as you move on into post-16 and start your course at Kirklees College in Art and Design. Well done. Come and collect your bag of goodies.
I'd just like to say thank you so much for everybody and everything. I've been here for so long. I've loved it ever since I came. Thank you.
Thank you for that. Well done, because I know it's not easy to get up here and say something, so fantastic, well done. And Nathan, our other young man who's here. Nathan, you started in September 2017. So where have the last 4 years kind of flown by to? I don't know, but we saw all those pictures of all the things that you've done since you came here. Yeah. Over the years, you've built some trusting relationships and you've accessed swimming lessons, therapy sessions, food, technology and music. You're a friendly, funny, clever young man who has shown commitment to your therapy and engaging enthusiastically. You're a lot more confident and have developed your social and life skills. You've accessed the School of Rock Music Centre and you have a real love of music and reading. You enjoy the sensory aspects of art and design and love working with clay. It's been great to see you growing in confidence over your time while you've been here with us. We want to wish you the very best as you move on into post-16. Do you want to come up? An elbow. Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to say thank you to everyone who's helped me through this time here. It's actually been quite fun, doing everything in music. I actually loved it, honestly.
Fantastic.
It's really crying, yeah. Thanks.
Okay, well done. Fantastic. Well done, Nathan, and thank you again for standing up here and being so brave to say something, because I know it takes a lot of courage to stand up here and say something, but we really, really do want to wish you both the very, very best, and we want to wish all the other students as well that are not here today, yeah, the very best as you're going into post-16 and when you go on to college and you're now young men, you're moving on to pastures new. So I know everybody in here want to wish you the very best, so congratulations to both of you and well done.